Hi, this is Vivian Stewart, the virtual librarian at Southwest Tennessee Community College, and we're actually at our library's homepage, which is www.southwest.tn.edu/library. And I want to take the opportunity to point out whenever you see the message "We're online, click to chat now," that this is our virtual reference service, so I will be available to chat with you and answer questions that you may have. Whenever I am not online, you have the option to send me an email and I will respond within a 24-hour period. Recently, one of my coworkers mentioned that there are times when students are working in the library and they have finished an assignment or a document only to discover that they do not have their USB or their jump drive. So we were talking about some of the options that they do have. First of all, students can save their document to our computer and send it as an email attachment to themselves. Or if they want to use Southwest Connect, which is our email portal, there is a icon that says briefcase, and documents can be stored there also, and you have access to them. There are also some free file sharing applications that are available. So I want to introduce you to one of those today. Now, there are several that are available, but this is one that I am familiar with, and it's entitled Dropbox.com. So as I click on my address bar, I'm going to www.dropbox.com and press enter. And this is the way the page looks. Now you will need to download this application, and I suggest you download it to your home computer because you may run into problems downloading this while you're on campus. You can also download it to your mobile device if you have internet connection to it. You will need to create an account. So if you click here, you would just go to create an account, and it asks you for an email address, and then it asks you for a password, and you will need to agree to the terms and conditions, and I suggest that you read through those to just make sure that you will not be in any violations. Now I have actually signed in already to another application, so I am going to that one now. So when I signed in, now my name appears, and I have the option to sign out when I finish it, and you want to make sure that you do sign out when you're finished. So I have a folder where I can store photos if I want to share them. I have a public folder where I can store documents that I possibly want to share with others. And I have my documents which are listed individually here, and these are documents that I may find that I need, and I may not have my USB drive available. So as long as I have access to a computer and can log into Dropbox.com, I have access to them. Now, of course, I want you to keep in mind that if you need more space than what is available in this free application, there is a charge in order to get more space. I suggest that you look at the tutorial, which is listed up under Get Started, and it's not very long, to just let you know what the basic things that you can do. Events will give you a listing of your documents and when you added them. Links allow you to take one of your documents and it will create a link so that you can send it to someone. And of course, sharing is available if you want to share one of your documents in case you're working on a project and you want to share it with somebody else. We have an icon that says upload, and I want to show you how to upload a document. And for some reason my Internet Explorer was running very slow, so I have some documents that it is still trying to load. So let me click on add more files, and hopefully I'll find something that is not very long and that the system has speeded up just a little bit for me. We click on open. And once again, this is just a time when the internet connection is just moving very, very slow. So this one is almost finished, so we will just wait on this one. And you see how the little thing is turning, and when it becomes a check mark, that's when it will actually be available in Dropbox.com. So hopefully it won't take it long to prepare this and make it available for me. And then as long as I am stayed online, the other documents will, oh, they all went through. So now if I wanted to, I can add more, but now I'm done. So I click on done. And I'm not sure what would happen with the computer, but I am back now. And it shows my documents that I have just added. So I want you to keep in mind that Dropbox.com is a place where you can store your documents. If you find that files are no longer needed, you can delete them. You can move them to other places, and you can also copy them. Now, I am not an expert when it comes to this, so what I would suggest you do is you may want to watch some other videos that may be in YouTube, or you may just want to perform a search in one of the popular search engines to get some additional information. Or just check with some of your friends who may already be using it. But I wanted to make sure that you were aware that you do have some options. Now, don't forget that when you're finished, to make sure that you log out or you sign out. Okay? So I hope this has been helpful, and I hope that you will share this information with others. And please always let us know if you have any concerns or other suggestions for videos. Have a great day.